Hi everyone, my name is Risha. Today is the 21st of July 2024. I'll be going over my weekly option chain analysis for the S&P 500 and for the upcoming expiry on the 26th. So, the PE increased and the CE decreased. However, the PE increased by more, so that's positive. The quantity is higher for PE, that's positive. That's positive. The change is higher for PE, that's positive. Short squeeze is higher for P, that's negative, and PCR is super overbought, that's negative. Implied and historical volatility are both higher, that's two negatives. RSI is lower, that's negative, no divergence, that's positive. ADX is higher, that's positive. ATR is higher, that's negative. Both EMAs are higher, that's two positives. VWAP is lower, pivot point is lower, and candlestick is bearish, that's three negatives. Overall, the support is 5,550. Previous week's support was 5,600. Resistance is 5,550, and previous week's was 5,620. And overall, the option chain predicts that the S&P 500 should go down this week. So thank you for watching, enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.